Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Hey, here's some information that you may find helpful. It may save you some time, energy, grief, and maybe some money. So right here is disc brake kit. We're the only ones that offer it. This is like for those mid-80s Ram Chargers and Trail Dusters. They have that real large flange 9 1/4 inch rear end and have that 5 on 5 1/2 pattern. That great big old pattern. We're the only ones that do that. So if you'd like to get a rear disc brake kit for that, or a 70 or 80 or anything else, give us a call, because we sure do ship a whole bunch of them. Speaking of, that's a Dana 70 at the end of the table. And this right here is 3 Dana 80s that are getting ready to go. Yes, 3. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Bye.